Keeping up with the motto that learning be a joy and teaching be a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students. Here is Mrs. Sonal Doshi from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College teaching you geography today for standard 6 chapter 1 the earth and the gratitude. Today we are going to see what are longitudes and meridians. As we have seen earlier, globe is the 3D model of planet Earth and latitudes are the imaginary horizontal lines on the globe. Today we are going to do longitudes, which are imaginary vertical lines on the globe. Latitudes and longitudes together form a grid called graticule. We have seen that imaginary horizontal line which divides the globe into two equal halves is called equator. It is at 0 degree. The same way 0 degree longitude is called prime meridian. It passes through Greenwich in Europe. It divides the earth or globe into two equal vertical halves. We have seen that latitudes are the circular lines and they are parallel to each other. They never meet each other, while longitudes are the semicircular lines and seems to meet at the poles. Latitudes are 90 plus 90 plus 1 equator is equal to 181 on the globe, while longitudes are 180 plus 180 is equal to 360 lines on the globe. Other difference is latitudes are parallel to each other and they are at equidistant, while longitudes are narrower towards the poles. The way latitudes are helping us in deciding the climatic conditions of a particular place on the globe. Longitudes are helping us in deciding the time zone of a particular place on the globe. Here are the facts regarding International Dateline. It passes through Greenwich, London, Europe. It is at exactly opposite side, that is 180 degree, of the prime meridian, that is 0 degree. Unlike other meridians, it is not straight from North Pole to South Pole. It is crooked as it accommodates cities and islands nearby it for avoiding standard time and day related confusion in the same city or country. If you cross the international dateline moving east, you subtract a day, whereas if you are moving west, you add a day. For example, if today is Friday and we cross the international dateline from west to east, then it would be Thursday. Prior to 1972, this time was called Greenwich Mean Time, that is GMT, but now it is referred as Universal Time Coordinated, that is UTC. So what we have done till now is lines of latitude and longitude. Lines of latitude and longitude help us to answer a key geographical question: where am I? What are lines of latitude and longitude? They refer to the grid system of imaginary lines you will find on a map or a globe. Parallels of latitude and meridians of longitude form an invisible grid over the Earth's surface and assist in pinpointing any location on the Earth with great accuracy. Lines of latitude are the horizontal lines. They tell us whether a place is located in the northern hemisphere or the southern hemisphere, as well as how far north or south from the equator it is. Lines of longitude are the vertical lines. They indicate how far east or west of the prime meridian a place is. Here I am presenting some facts about lines of latitude. The equator is the 0 degree latitude line. Lines of latitude cross the prime meridian at right angles, that is 90 degree. Lines of latitude circle the globe in east-west direction. Lines of latitude are also known as parallels. They measure the distance north or south from equator, and the distance between degree lines is about 69 miles, that is about 110 kilometer. 1 degree equals to 60 minutes, while a minute equals to 60 seconds. Lines of latitude affects the climatic conditions of the particular place. It creates three priority zones: frigid zone, temperate zone, and torrid zone. You can see this in the image. Facts about lines of longitude. They are also known as meridians of longitude. They follow a north-south direction and do not have the same distance from each other. They measure distance east or west of the prime meridian. They are the farthest apart at the equator and they intercept the North Pole and the South Pole. Lines of longitude cross the equator at right angles. They all are equal in length, and lines of longitude are halves of great circles. The 0 degree line of longitude is the prime meridian, also known as the meridian of Greenwich, as it passes at Greenwich in England. To the east, the earth is divided from 0 degree to 180 degrees. To the west, the earth is divided from 0 degree to 180 degree west. The international date line is a line of longitude located at about 180 degree east or west of the prime meridian. It separates one calendar day from the next. So today we have learnt about latitudes, longitudes, prime meridian, equator, gratitude. Here we are completing chapter number 1, gratitude. Thank you.